Hey people, so yesterday I managed to watch this, like between peeling carrots and doing things for my kids, I watched this movie on Amazon Prime. It's called Iddari Lokam Okate, and it stars Shalini Pandey, Raj Tarun, and it's um, it's been directed by Krishna Reddy, no, Krishna Reddy Gangadhasu. That's the name. I just checked it on Google. So, I mean, this film is. See, if you notice, I mentioned Shalini Pandey first because really, yeah, after Arjun Reddy, and generally, she's an artist. Yeah, she's a performer who, um, like I mean, when she's on screen, you forget to look at anything else. She's got she's a performer of that caliber. So the only thing is that's what this movie. Yeah, the storyline is such that you really need to be a good actor or a good actress or whatever, good artist to carry it off because it is so like unbelievable at certain points that you're like, yeah, no, the title Iddari Lokam Okate, the Hindi translation would be Hum Dono Ki Dunya Ek Hai. That would be the, our world is one or something like that. And you really have to become one with the scriptwriter to be able to understand the logic of the film. So so yeah, no, so that's what for me this movie stands out because I like Shalini Pandey's acting, and Raj Tarun is a surprise package. I mean, he's very understated in the film, which is compared to his that Kumari 21F or whatever the movies like that. In this movie, we get to see a very decent, very nice side of him. So, but really, people, you all should watch this movie on Amazon Prime for Shalini Pandey because Iddari Lokam Okate is just the kind of film that a performer like Shalini Pandey could pull off. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.